navigating the top 10 technologies to master in 2024, delving deep into blockchain. In the bustling realm of technology, the year 2023 saw an impressive surge in job opportunities, tallying up to approximately 2.4 million openings. What's more intriguing is the statistic that 60% of professionals made a bold leap from non-tech domains to embrace careers in technology. For those contemplating a foray into the tech sector but grappling with uncertainty about the path forward, a comprehensive understanding of the emerging technological landscape becomes indispensable. Blockchain, pioneering innovation beyond cryptocurrencies. Taking center stage as the 10th technology to learn in 2024 is blockchain. While it's commonly associated with the meteoric rise of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, blockchain's potential transcends digital currencies, offering a plethora of applications across diverse sectors. What sets blockchain apart? At its essence, blockchain functions as a digital ledger, facilitating the secure and transparent recording of transactions. Unlike conventional databases, blockchain operates on a decentralized network, ensuring that data remains immutable and accessible only to authorized participants. Applications across varied industries. Blockchain technology finds wide-ranging utility across industries such as finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and beyond. Its decentralized architecture makes it particularly suitable for scenarios where transparency, security, and trust are paramount. Industry giants embrace blockchain. Prominent players in the technology arena, including IBM, Deloitte, Microsoft, and JP Chase, are actively harnessing blockchain's potential to drive innovation and streamline operations. Consequently, there's a burgeoning demand for skilled blockchain experts to spearhead these transformative initiatives. Implications for tech enthusiasts. For individuals harboring aspirations of venturing into the tech realm, blockchain emerges as a compelling avenue for exploration and specialization. By honing their skills in blockchain technology, professionals can position themselves as indispensable assets in a rapidly evolving job market. In-depth exploration. Unraveling blockchain's potential. Aspiring tech professionals are encouraged to delve deeper into blockchain's intricacies, understanding its underlying principles, consensus mechanisms, smart contracts, and decentralized applications, dApps. Moreover, gaining hands-on experience through practical projects and collaborating with blockchain communities can further bolster one's expertise in this burgeoning field. Charting your path in the tech landscape. In an era marked by relentless technological advancements, keeping pace with emerging trends is imperative for career growth and relevance. With its unparalleled promise of security, transparency, and versatility, blockchain stands out as a technology ripe for mastery in 2024 and beyond. This is Ashman Digital, providing you with an immersive dive into the dynamic world of technology and its profound implications for the workforce. Stay tuned for a continuous stream of insights on the latest trends and opportunities shaping the tech industry landscape.